Hi everyone, let's talk about week 9. This is all about registering for summer and fall and picking the right classes for you. So last couple weeks we've been working on your academic plan and thinking through the other classes you need to graduate or meet your goals. And so this week we're going to put those in action and you're going to be thinking about your course schedule for the summer and the fall if you're going to be taking classes during those semesters. So make sure you check out the readings and take the quiz about how to choose the right classes. A lot of this is about reflection and thinking about yourself and your needs and sort of what you have going on in your life. We'll also do a discussion on self-reflection this week to think that through. The major assignment this week is the My Degree Path assignment. And what you're going to do is use it as a tool to think through your major, your potential choices for your classes as well as your major in terms of time to graduate, number of classes to take, etc. And this assignment, the mid-semester office hours check-in, will actually be due the following week down here in week 10, but we're just going to start it this week so that you can try to start planning when you're going to go to the office hours. It's important that you know I have my office hours in person each week. If you want to come to those, feel free to stop by anytime. If you can't come to those, I'm holding online office hours through the conferences tab here on the left on these dates and times. Okay? What I want you to do is figure out with your schedule when are you going to come to office hours and have a first choice and then a backup just in case, so you make sure you get this assignment completed. Make sure that you read carefully because it does say if none of these times work, nor my in-person office hours, email me to set up an appointment. So in the email, let me know, do you want to meet in person in my office or online? And then give me 3 possible dates and times that would work for you. Know that I tend to be more available in afternoons and evenings and even on weekends. So let me know what would work for you so that you're all set up to have this completed by the end of next week. All right, have a great week, everyone. Let me know if you need any help.